What's up guys, this is BXR Alex, and today we're going to change our Honda 450L seat cover. We're going to change it into a Thrill Seeker seat cover. I'm going to show you how. This will work for any Honda model, the R, the L, the X, or the RL. Any Honda model will work. Let's go change it. So this is obviously the tools that you need. You need an air compressor, you will need the seat cover, a wrench, a 10mm, a extender, the staple gun, and some staples. A simple tool like the Husky. I got the wrench, a 10mm to take out the seat, and just an extender. This is the seat cover from Thrill Seekers. I will put the link below. Nice Mexican style, and the bottom kind of Miami retro style. Really like. This is the 3.0. And you will need an air compressor. So yeah, let's go. I got this from Harbor Freight. This is the air stapler. This cost me about 25 bucks. And this is the staplers that you need. It's a 7/16 inch. This is perfect for changing the seats because it's not too long and it won't poke you out, and when you're riding it won't hurt. So this is the best one you can get. It cost me in total about $35 with tax included. And yeah, let's go change it. This thing is fairly simple. You just take off the 10mm bolt here with your ratchet. From there you just take off the seat. It's very simple to take off the seat for the L, any motorcycle. So this will work for any motorcycle. From there, you flip it over. You see those staples? You need a flat screwdriver to take every single one of them off on the seat. This is how you take out the cover from your seat. Take out from this staplers here, just take it off.
Something that can be very helpful for you guys is to use the corner of the flat screwdriver to take out the staplers. This is the easiest way to do it.
From here, some of them are going to be sticking out. Use some regular pliers and just take it out. Simple like that. So once you finish taking every single taking every single stapler out, just take it off. Very simple. Take it off carefully, just so you don't damage the foam. Take it off, and there we go. Now you have a naked seat cover. Well, just seat, not the cover. This seat cover, you can throw it to the trash or you can keep it. I'm gonna keep it because I have a lot of Hondas and they might need a brand new seat cover, so I'm gonna keep it. Now you need to get your gun ready. Just open it up. Here's your gun. And it's very simple. You get your stapler. You get one of these. You open this part, comes out. Here it is. You put it like this. It looks like that. You put it all the way up, and this thing in the bottom, click on it. It's secure. Now from there, you will need your air compressor to have at least 50 to 80 psi. The maximum that this gun can go is 110. I do not recommend you going 100. Just go by 50 to 80. Now you get your compressor, put it on, and you're ready to shoot. Alright, now from here, you just need to put your cover on. This is very time consuming. Gotta put it on from the top. You might need to use your knees as assistance.
So from here, I'm just going to give you a few tips how to put the seat cover on. So you just got to look around so there won't be any creases around it. So you just look around, play around with it. You first have to get the top one, then the bottom one. From there, you can just keep working yourself up from the top to bottom, or to the bottom to the top. Doesn't matter. You have to keep it nice and tight, because if you don't, if you keep it kind of loose, the seat cover can rip. So remember that. You need to do that nice and tight. It is pretty difficult if you're not, I'm not saying myself that I'm a good person to put on the seat cover. It took me about an hour and a half. But if you guys barely starting and learning how to do this, it might take about 3 to 4 hours. The first time I did it, I did not have any equipment. I did not have the air compressed gun stapler. So I only used a regular office stapler, and it did not work. My seat cover for the 450X wasn't as tight. It was super loose, and I was at risk of breaking my seat cover. So if I were you guys, please buy this equipment. You really do need that equipment to do it. If not, you can take it to the local shop. You can help them out also. So yeah, the rest of the video is going to give you more tips.
Alright, I guess you guys don't want to see every single thing I want to do, but I'm just going to give you tips. Just look around, look like this, bring it down. This thing has to be completely flat. So I'm just going to do like a little time lapse of me just, fixing it up. So once you have like a good size, like this one is really flat, I just need to flat out the sides. Just move it around like that. You see, it's a little bit more flat. And then you staple each side. You have to make it like equal. And then from there, just do everything, the same thing on top over here, all the way to the top. So yeah. Okay, let me give you a tip, you guys, for be easier so you guys don't have crease. I'm almost done. So what you do, just grab it from right here, and then you pull it hard. And then you just look on the top, if everything's alright. From there, From there, just pull it. And then grab it with your fingers like that. And get your gun. Don't shoot yourself. Go like that. And then like that. So that's the easiest way to do all this. All the way down here. The most difficult part is this part right here. From this. This is very difficult. You gotta grab it so hard. My thumb hurts already, so you gotta grab it so hard to get it like not creased at all. So yeah, that's the only difficult part about this. But from there, it's just time consuming and patience. From there, you can just pull it like I'm doing right now. Get the thumb, and then just shoot the gun where you need it. And then from here, you just shoot it because you just flat it out. And right here also. So see, from here now you can, the thing for the tank can go here now. So yeah, that's how you install it, as you can tell, there's no crease on it, just a little bit on here, because like I told you, it's very difficult to pull it back. But from here, just a little bit crease and all flat. So yeah, this is how you do it. It's pretty easy. And yeah, so let's go put it on the bike.
So yeah, you put it on your bike with the gas tank that you have right there, and it's pretty difficult with one hand, but once you put it on, it looks very nice, very clean. That's what I like about Thrill Seekers. They make really clean seat covers. But yeah, I really love it. I really do recommend you guys buying it and supporting those guys. So I'm gonna give you another tip later on the video of the staplers, so you don't get stapled while you're riding. So yeah.
Okay guys, another tip is just touch around here where you put the staplers at. Sometimes they stick out and it can pinch you while riding or racing. So and then you pinch here also. You just look around. Yeah, everything feels good. So from there, you just put your 10mm bolt again and you'll be set. So yeah guys, wow, this thing looks very, very amazing. I really love it. I really recommend those guys, Thrill Seeker. They're a small company, well, not very small, medium company in El Cajon. So yeah, support those guys. Right now COVID, small companies are struggling. Help them out, just say that the BXR team sent you over here, and they'd be glad that, you know, a small little creators is helping out a small company. You know, this is how off-road racing community is. So yeah, guys, any questions you got, put in the comment below. Any feedback you want to give me how to improve my video quality or tutorials, just let me know in the comments. Yeah, guys, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, and see you guys later. See ya.